Welcome to How to Solve.
Hey there, welcome back. Today I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on how to delete your Shopify store. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you will have to open up your Shopify admin and it will take you to this page right here. So now we have to go to your settings. Before that, keep in mind that deleting your Shopify account means that you will be deleting all the data and all the products, so make sure that you're actually sure and certain that you want to delete your account and store. So we have different ways to do that. First of all, you can go to the plans right here. And in plans, if you cancel your membership, you can actually click on deactivate trial or delete my subscription or deactivate my subscription. After that, your account or store becomes inactive. That's how it works on Shopify. It's really easy. You can just open up settings again, go to plan, and then click on the lead subscription, and it will automatically delete your account once your subscription ends. If you're actually looking to give your store to someone else, then you can just go here, click on change the ownership. So just transfer the ownership to a new person. You can just enter a brand new email, first name, last name, and set up a new password. And then you will be able to transfer your store to someone else's. So that is another way that you can actually check out. But if you want to delete your account, just go to the plan and then, delete your subscription. Very easy. That is how we delete a Shopify store.
Please like and subscribe for more content. We'll see you in the next one.